Hi, I'm Alondra.
And I'm Paola.
And today we're gonna react to JHOPEEE! Oh, that was good.
Okay, so today, regular day, we're waiting for 10 a.m. so we could see the GOT7 spoiler.
Pictures, yeah.
We're like, Bam Bam, let's go. I'm looking at Bam Bam's pictures and then I get, oh, Big Hit tweeter. I'm like, what did they tweet about?
I got an email.
Let me see. Click, J-Hope airplane music video. What? I text her, I'm like, what?
It's so funny because this morning I'm like listening to the album driving home from work. I'm like, so Airplane and Hantang are my favorite songs on the album, and I'm like, I think I like Hantang better. And then this comes out. It's trying to like, this is your song. So there's something going on here.
I better see BTS in the background. Airplane! Airplane!
Oh my god, let's get it, let's get it.
I don't want to read, I just want to see my baby J-Hope.
Is this? I thought it was Dubai because of that building.
Oh my god, this is fake. This isn't real. This is a fan.
It's a music video.
This is fan made.
Shit. Oh my god.
This is fan made. No, I can't believe it. Oh, J-Hope!
I'm about to start shaking. I'm not kidding.
This song is. Oh my god, don't make me cry.
Look at that.
J-Hope.
I want to turn it up.
Oh my god!
Ah! So sexy.
Oh my J-Hope! Oh my gosh.
Wait, that's the same set for Daydream. Right? With the clouds in the back, right? But instead of a bed, is that?
This is
he's just sitting there. He owns the whole world, man. Oh my god.
Trip to Japan.
Oh my god.
I like the style a lot more.
The swag is real. Oh wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
That was amazing. It's a weird ass car, but I like it.
It's like old style.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Some people talk shit about me. Yeah.
Let them.
Don't give a damn.
Exactly.
Don't give a damn.
Laugh at it. They suck.
In the smoke.
I love you, J-Hope. Is he in the airplane? No. Airplane mode. What?
There he goes, there he goes. Oh,
this drop is
so cool. We're BTS.
It's okay, it's J-Hope's music video. We don't need them.
I can totally hear Suga though. Right? That's so funny.
Oh my god.
I hit my hand.
I was like, is that them? No, that's J-Hope.
You tell them haters.
Yes!
Handball play. Airplane.
I made it. I feel it in my airplane. Oh my goodness. Yes, J-Hope. Yes, J-Hope! Wow. I don't know what in my head right now. I'm like, I never streamed for anybody except for GOT7. But J-Hope got me.
The views are frozen yet again.
Yep. Oh wait, it went up.
Oh, I'm like, where are they? I thought they were there.
Yeah. Oh
it's not even at 1 million and it's been a couple of hours, so it's totally fake.
There's more likes than views. That's
yeah, exactly.
Right? Oh my god, you can tell the videos are so different from
just like
Daydream. It's so colorful and more like upbeat.
Yeah,
but I love this style. It's so different. It's so like I feel like
because I think the videos are a lot different because even the lyrics in the song are totally different too.
But I feel like this video is more like I don't know, like it feels more the video, not the song, obviously Western.
Yeah.
No. I don't know why, but I thought of Drake, but no. No. But like, oh my J-Hope!
The only Western music we listen to is the K-pop, like Western music.
Exactly. That was so good. I'm sorry. I like this music really more.
You do?
Yes. It's just him. I know the other one was just him.
I can't pick a favorite because they're too different.
That's true. But I don't know, this song, the video made the song 100 times better. And the song was already 100 times good, you know?
Yeah.
But it's just the video and the song together, oh my god.
And he looks so fresh and fly and he's feeling
looks
himself.
so good. Don't care what people say. Talk shit about me. I have my own airplane.
Drinking champagne in my airplane. If you guys liked our reaction, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Comment down below if you're not subscribed. Adios.
Army out.
Baby, love me right. Oh,